guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this one. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to get this verification tick mark right here. And as you can see, I'm currently at level 4, so it's actually level by level. It has level 1 2 3 4 5 and it goes on and on. So for you to get the tick mark, maybe you're in level 1 right now, or maybe you haven't even verified it yet. I'm gonna share you everything in this video, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. So once you click this verification right here, it's gonna show you the tags. It's mostly 3 tags right here, and it's gonna show you what you need to do to get to the next level. Right here, it's gonna show it right here. So for me, it says earn 200k coins right here, and as you can see, it gives me the tick mark because I'm currently at 39.6 million coins. And let me show you guys, that is it right there. Then it says invite 2 friends, and also you can see the verification tick mark. I have invited more than 2 friends right here. I've invited about 35 friends, and now it says buy 2 pets. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, showing you guys in this video. And as you can see, just click on that information, then click on go to make it, then click on this buy new pet right here, and you can see it's gonna select a random pet for me, and I'm gonna have to purchase it. So click on buy random for 10,000 right there. As you can see, I have just purchased a new pet. So let's go back to where it says verification. As you can see, it was 2 years before, now the 3 is completed. So come here and click on get 5 if you want to go to another level, and as you can see, it's gonna reload again. So after 3 hours, it's gonna give me another task for me to climb up my level to get to level 5. And if you don't want to wait that long, you can easily come here to where it says use coins to speed up the upgrading process. So I'm gonna click right here, and this process is gonna be sped up, maybe for like -1 hour or something like that, or completely vanishing this time, and I can get to upgrade to another level. But I'm not gonna be doing that in this video. If you want to make that, kindly comment, and I'm gonna do that for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.